I was wrong, and I admit it. If you saw that video last night, I had part of it right. But I'm gonna tell you this. I found a tater. Yeah, we're gonna plant this sucker. I think I'm gonna plant it right over here so y'all can watch it grow as I make videos. Okay, so here's what happened. I saw something I thought was awesome. So I put a video out there about it, and I was wrong. All right. So on that video, the red heart or the red comment thing next to someone's comments, you can hover over it, and that means they're an open subscriber to you, and it tells you how long they've been a subscriber to you. The purple heart means that I, as the channel owner, or you as your channel owner, means I give hearts to that commenter more than other people. They're my top ones that I give hearts to. People didn't like me giving hearts to everybody, so I stopped doing that. I appreciate it. Been talking to Saucy, the towboat chef, today. In Survival Mindset, Justin. I'll leave a link to both of them at the end of this video. You're welcome to go check out their videos. Yeah, she cooks on a towboat sometimes. Yeah, and he's a good prepper for you. Those are two people I'll be shouting out today. Yeah, we're making hamburgers with some charcoal that has applewood induced in it, and we're using Gator Shake Uncle Steve Shake. That's right. Ribeyes tomorrow night. That's all I got right now. The ribeye video I'm making tomorrow night has giveaways in it, and it'll be out as soon as Papa can edit it. Alright? Y'all take care. Hope you got plenty of toilet paper. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya. I was wrong. Darn it. It's a first for everything, Papa. Yeah.